Gulab Jamun recipe. For the Gulab Jamun, 1 cup milk powder, 1/4 cup all-purpose flour maida, 1/4 teaspoon baking powder, 2 tablespoons ghee clarified butter, melted, 2 to 3 tablespoons milk, as needed to form a dough. Oil or ghee for deep frying. For the sugar syrup, also known as Gulab, 1½ cups granulated sugar, 1½ cups water, 4 to 5 green cardamom pods, crushed. A few saffron strands optional, 1 teaspoon rose water or a few drops of rose essence. 1. In a large mixing bowl, combine the milk powder, all-purpose flour, and baking powder, mix well. 2. Add the melted ghee to the dry ingredients and mix until it resembles breadcrumbs. 3. Gradually add milk, a little at a time, and knead the mixture into a soft dough. The dough should be smooth and slightly sticky. Cover the dough and let it rest for 10 to 15 minutes. 4. Meanwhile, prepare the sugar syrup Gulab in a saucepan. Combine the sugar and water. Heat over medium heat until the sugar dissolves completely. 5. Add the crushed cardamom pods and saffron strands if using. To the sugar syrup, let the syrup simmer for 5 to 7 minutes until it slightly thickens. Remove from heat and stir in the rose water or rose essence. Keep the syrup warm. 6. After the resting time, knead the dough again briefly and divide it into small equal-sized portions. Roll each portion into smooth, crack-free balls. Make sure there are no cracks on the surface, as they may cause the Gulab Jamuns to break while frying. 7. Heat oil or ghee in a deep frying pan over medium-low heat. The temperature should be around 325 F 163 C. 8. Gently slide the rolled Gulab Jamun balls into the hot oil, a few at a time, ensuring they have enough space to expand. Fry them on low to medium-low heat, stirring occasionally until they turn golden brown and evenly cooked. This may take about 7 to 10 minutes. 9. Once the Gulab Jamuns are golden brown, remove them from the oil using a slotted spoon and drain excess oil by placing them on paper towels. 10. Immediately transfer the hot Gulab Jamuns into the warm sugar syrup. Let them soak in the syrup for at least 1 to 2 hours to absorb the flavors and become soft and syrupy. 11. Serve the Gulab Jamuns warm or at room temperature, garnished with chopped nuts if desired. Enjoy the deliciousness of homemade Gulab Jamuns. Note: ensure that the oil or ghee is not too hot, as it can result in the Gulab Jamuns getting burnt on the outside while remaining uncooked inside. Adjust the heat as needed to maintain the right frying temperature. I hope you like this recipe. If you like this recipe, so don't forget to like, comment, share, subscribe. Plus, don't forget to press the bell icon and on which recipe to make the next video. Please tell us in the comment section.